Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Nissan Micra hatch, stock reference number 4594. This shape runs from the 8th month 2007 through to the 10th month 2010. There's a CR14 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CR14 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end with the right-hand headlight, both radiator grills, front bumper cover, left-hand headlight. Bonnet has one small dent. Left guard has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent, as does the left rear door. Left rear, 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear, 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and maroon cloth interior. Automatic type center console, automatic T-bar shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.